Hi guys, I'm Young, and today I want to talk about two awesome action vlogging camera that I recently got. One is Insta360 One X2 and the other is, you guys know, DJI Pocket 2. So which one should you guys choose for your action, vlogging, daily life, etc.? So today I want to give you guys my sort of experience with them, so that you guys know what camera suits you better. I've counted and I can think of 3 advantages that Insta360 One X2 has over Pocket 2, and I can think of 4 advantages that DJI Pocket 2 has over Insta360 One X2. So all these 2 second generation of each camera, let me first start with Insta360 One X. Now I'm getting ready to shoot. All I need to do is just put the Insta360 One X2 to invisible selfie stick and just walk around. That's it. I don't have to think about where to frame the shot. All I need to do is just walk around casually with the invisible selfie stick, and that's it. And now shall we see the result? There are some pigeons flying around. Did I get the shot? Yes. And with Insta360 One X2, I think it's minimal effort and maximum fun. So let me just run around doing the bullet time. So I've attached the bullet time string, which I've finally figured out how to do it by actually watching other people's video. So let me just prance around and have fun. I don't need to think about anything, and luckily there's nobody around right now. Let's go. Here I'm doing bullet time, where everything is shot at 100 frames per second, and this looks fantastic. Shoot at some key points and have fun time rather than being focused too much on what to do with the camera. It's a lot of fun. Yay! And the third point that I really enjoy about Insta360 is how an app is an editing beast. The short lap tab, it takes you through how to achieve these great shots, and it's actually rather simple. And after taking those shots, all you need to do is just press a few clicks and you get an edited video. Like this one. And lastly, what's great about Insta360 One X is that it is waterproof, which means you really don't have to worry about where you take your camera. You can go to the mountain, you can go to the snow, and you can go to the waters. But one downside that I have to actually highlight for you guys with Insta360 One X2 is that it takes 5.7K resolution of 360-degree footage, which means if it flattens, that it produces like 1440p or 1080p, and actually even 1440p looks like 1080p resolution. So it's not that great if you're thinking about actually adding the 360-degree footage to drone videos and camera videos, etc. You know, you can actually see the quality difference. However, in the 360-degree space, I think Insta360 One X2 is the best 360-degree camera out there. And with app-edited footages, I think it's good enough, more than good enough for your social media use. And 360-degree camera footage, it is totally not replaceable by your mobile phone. So now let me go on to talk about 4 advantages that Pocket 2 has over Insta360 One X2. And I'm just gonna turn on the mic, and it's attached to Do It All handle, which means I can actually start talking to Pocket 2. All right. I've attached the mic here and I'll be on to Pocket 2. So obviously the first point that I really like about Pocket 2 over Insta360 One X2 etc. is that it has the wireless mic within the creator combo set. So it is perfect. I can just vlog, I can talk to the camera and it will pick up my voice crystal clear. For the rest of the points, I'll go through them really quick because I already have a lot of videos on Pocket 2. So the second point I really enjoy using Pocket 2 for is that it has a 4K resolution, crystal and very sharp. I do think when it's filming the face, it does look a little overexposed, it's too pale. However, when it's taking like landscape shots and so on, then it looks beautiful 4K. And because Pocket 2 has a camera on a physical gimbal, it can do motion time-lapse, which I absolutely love. And also because of the physical gimbal, you can enjoy a lot of cinematic shots with different gimbal modes. And also because it can do wide angle and also zoomed in normal field of view, you can actually give a little more thoughts to how you're shooting to achieve the cinematic shots. But I have to say, other than motion time-lapse, I think you can actually achieve a lot of these points if you have a top-of-line flagship mobile phones. But I guess it's just simple using a separate device only for vlogging. So what do you guys prefer? Insta360 One X2 or DJI Pocket 2? Well, since I have both, I'm gonna take both of them with me to my short little trips and just pack in that Mavic Air 2 or like 2 series and show you guys how you can maximize using those devices. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!